Brocky, keep talking about whiskey and kicks.
What's up, good people? It's your boy Brocky, Whiskey and Kicks, and this is Whiskey Wednesday. And as we used to know on Whiskey Wednesday, Brocky Tastes The Booze. We are back. We're back, man. It's been a while. I've been busy. I've been living my personal life. I'm married now. Look at that. Shout out to chick on the scene. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing a few things, concentrating on some other stuff in other areas. But I still love the whiskey. I still love the kicks. I still love you guys. Hopefully you guys still love me. Hopefully we still have a good relationship. Let's share this whiskey. And as you know, man, I like to get right to it. I don't want to waste a whole bunch of time. So look, today we are trying Brocky's Infinity Bottle. Ooh, look at that. It's beautiful. It's heavy too. So let's get to it, man. So for those who don't know, an Infinity Bottle is, let's say you have, 7, 8 bottles, maybe 10 bottles that's running low, right? You got maybe 4 ounces or so in each, maybe 2 to 4 ounces in each, maybe less than some, maybe a little bit more. And you want to combine these bottles into one bottle. That's called an Infinity Bottle. Some people like to theme them out. They might do all rye, all bourbons, all single barrels, all wine barrel aged, like port barrels and stuff like that. Me, I'm a renegade. I do what I want to do. So I just combined a bunch of bottles that was low and made my own Infinity Bottle because I wanted all those different characteristics, right? So let me tell you what's in here. We have Old Forester 1897, Old Forester 1920. We have District Made Cask Strength Bourbon and their Cask Strength rye. District Made is local. It's a DC distillery, 1-8 Distilling, and their brand is District Made. Their family, y'all know that about me. I love 1-8. I love District Made stuff. That's that. Let me see. Redemption. I think this is Redemption, was a wheated Redemption whiskey. Wild Turkey 101, which is a staple of mine. E.H. Taylor single barrel. I think it's a single barrel bourbon and rye. Willet rye. Old Scout single barrel, and Russell's 6-year rye. All in the same bottle to make this concoction that we just call Brocky's Infinity Bottle. How about that? That works. Let's see. On the nose of this thing. So I've sipped this before, but you know how that goes. I didn't really nose it big time last time. So, man, this is so interesting, right? Because when it comes to sipping, nosing, sipping, or palate in general, finishes, who's wrong? Who's to tell you that you're wrong, right? So with this, I'm getting peanut butter. Peanut butter, yo. There's a sweetness there with peanut butter, right? Why kids love it so much, like the sugar. How many bourbons do I have in here? I have quite a few bourbons in here. So it's gonna bring the sweetness. Woo! So peanut butter, big time, it's dominating. So I'm not gonna sit here, I'm not getting like any citrus, a little bit of like maple syrup. I'm not getting any citrus on this at all. Man, the heat up front is just like, hello, it's heat up front. It's spicy, right? How many rye? 1, 2. That District Made rye, the E.H. Taylor rye is in here too. There's a few ryes, and that little book is gonna, the little book is gonna do some stuff too. I wonder what the proof of this is. Yeah, so it is citrusy on the finish. Like I'm getting like lemon, and the finish on this is crazy. Like it's a long finish. Pause. It's just lingering. So my mouth is just watering, right, from experiencing this this sip. This is fantastic. Great to share. I love the concept of an Infinity Bottle because it's great for company. When you have people come by, hanging out, get them to try something different. Now, you have to be careful because I have a friend that's allergic to grapes. So I don't think any of these are wine barrel rested. I don't think any of them are. But you have to be careful. Like people have allergies and stuff, so you have to be conscious of what you put in your infinity bottle before you share it with someone. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, this is nice though, man. I love it. Yeah. So this is strange, yo. This is strange. I'm getting remember I said there's maple on the nose of this? I'm getting it tastes like the finish is like a pancake. Like a pancake that had syrup, that absorbed the syrup. It's like a pancake with syrup in it on the finish of this. Man, the sweetness is great. The sweetness and the spiciness and the heat balance out so well in this. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. If you get your hands on some of this, let me know what you think about it. Yo, man, this is fun. It's been a while. We keep these short and sweet. Brocky Tastes The Booze, Whiskey Wednesdays. We back in business, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. More fun stuff happening. Other than that, I'll see you next Wednesday. Cheers. Be good.